are OKR just like sailing a boat? Well, we all know the expression, we're all in the same boat. It's when everyone shares failures, but more importantly, they share successes together as a team. So it's about being aware of what is going on in other parts of the boat while remaining totally focused on our responsibilities and jobs. OKR is the best way to ensure that this happens throughout the journey. In sailing, we call this passage planning, and there are three main components, just like in OKR. The first one is a clear objective that everybody is aware of, and everybody will enforce their efforts to make that work and make that happen. The second thing is a plan, and the plan has measurable items such as coordinates, times, food, rest, anything that we need to measure to make sure that we progress safely towards our objective and we're on track. And the last thing is a clear communication pattern with meetings, times for briefings, and a common vocabulary. That ensures that everybody remains focused on the talents that they have to bring forward for this journey. There you have it, OKR in sailing.